With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that 4 gram of hydrogen reacts with 20 gram of oxygen to form water. The mass of water formed is, so we have been given here 4 options, so we have to find out the correct option out of the following. So firstly we are going to write down the reaction here, that is when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, then it forms H2O, right? It forms 1 mole of H2O. So what we'll firstly do is balance the equation here. So we are going to multiply O2 with half value, right? So this is your balanced equation, right? Now after balancing the equation, let me write down the data which is given to us. So mass of H2 is how much? Mass of H2 is 4 gram, which is given to us, and that of oxygen is 20 gram, which is also given to us, right? So from this what we'll do is we'll find out the number of moles. So let me write it down here, that number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass, right? So number of moles here will be, for H2 will calculate, it will be 4 divided by 2, and for oxygen it will be 20, which is given to us, divided by the molecular mass of O2 is how much? 16 plus 16, it will be 32. So the number of moles here for H2 will come out to be how much? 2. And for oxygen, the number of moles upon division of this value will come out to be 0.625, right? The value will be 0.625 is the number of moles of O2 molecule. Now after finding the number of moles, we are going to use the concept of limiting reagent. So out of these two, that is H2 and O2, which one is your limiting reagent, right? We have to firstly find out that. So the limiting reagent is the one which gets completely utilized in the reaction. So here it has 2 moles and O2 has 0.625 moles. That means since it has less number of moles, so it is the limiting reagent. So here O2 will be our limiting reagent, and we will follow the reaction using O2 as limiting reagent here, right? So if half mole of O2 is producing 1 mole of H2O, right? This is O2 and this is your H2O. So if half mole of O2 is producing 1 mole of H2O, that means 1 mole will produce how many moles of H2? It will produce 2 moles of H2O. We have to find out for which value? We have to find out for the value of 0.625 moles here, right? So 0.625 will form how many moles? 0.625 will form, so 0.625 will form how many moles? It will form 0.625 into 2 moles, which is equal to how many? Which is equal to 1.25 moles. That is from 0.625 moles of O2, 1.25 moles of H2O is formed, right? So now we know the number of moles of H2 and we have to find out the mass of H2O formed in the reaction. So to find out the number of moles of H2O, we are going to use number of moles equal to given mass divided by molecular mass of H2O. So we know the value of number of mole, which is 0.25. Given mass is what we need to find out, and the molecular mass of H2O is how much? It is 18. Right, so we are going to multiply this value and we are going to get the given mass of water here. So given mass will be equal to 0.125, right? 0.125 into 18. So the value will come out to be how much? The value will come out to be 22.5 grams. So the mass of H2O formed here will be equal to 22.5 grams. So out of the following option, which option is correct here? So out of the following option, option number 3 is your correct answer to the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.